Should I just crank the elevation on? No.
All right.
That's a flattering picture.
Here we go.
That Grizzly's ass.
Oh no.
I do not have high expectations of this. Somebody said 56 inches.
Yes. Start there. You hit wood.
Get down under here.
That sounded really fun.
Where'd I hit?
You hit wood. I don't know where. I don't know if it was high or low, but it didn't hit. It didn't hit anything underneath it, and it didn't hit water.
Are we all suppressed right now? Yeah.
Suppressed in 22.
I'm going to try for the big piece of speed. Well, you know what? I'm going to shoot the middle red one so hopefully somebody can see impact in dirt.
I want to be the loud one down here. Sorry to bother you guys.
What are you shooting towards?
Do you have...
Got it.
That one might have gone supersonic. Yeah. That was a little louder.
What are you shooting towards, Tech-Res?
No.
He's shooting
Well, you know what? I was shooting towards that black square in the middle of the white, but I actually need some berm to help me out.
Yeah.
Why don't you scoot closer so that we're more in the same line? And I think the most amount of berm I've got is on that steel target that's all red, and it's an 8-inch square. It's of the 3 yard signs, it's the rightmost one. That gives me a whole lot of dust around it, you know?
No, I'm actually going to shoot at the left of those red ones. If anybody
That's
wants
the
to...
silhouette?
Of the 3 yard signs, you're taking the rightmost one?
Yes.
Give me a second.
Did it? Okay. Yes, sir.
Is that an iPhone case that looks like a freaking cassette tape?
On target.
You ready?
Yes. That looked low and right. I think you may have hit the paper hanging underneath it.
I was high and left, looked like.
Low and right?
Yes.
Was that what?
The
you call
lower
that
bar
high
has a
left?
piece of paper hanging
I can see
on it.
why.
I'm with you.
Okay. That's about where it went.
Show me that lower has a happy switch.
Give me a second, I'm doing math in my head.
Okay.
That was low for sure.
Yeah.
Zing.
I mean, I hit it.
Yeah.
Oh!
He's been owned.
I don't know.
Funny sound to it, but I don't think it hit steel.
Hit wood or something, or rock.
That's what I do for a living. Okay. That was right. It did, didn't it? See if it's consistent.